For the given matrices, compute AB minus 2C. First off, AB is a matrix multiplication. So if we work out AB, we have to work out 1, 5, negative 1, 3, 7, 2 times 5, 0, 1, 2, negative 1, 4, 0, 3, 6. Now, this matrix multiplication, this is a 2 by 3, and this is a 3 by 3. If these numbers on the inside match, the product is possible. So this one's possible. Otherwise, we just say does not exist, and we'd be done. The answer is the size of the outside numbers, another 2 by 3. Okay, now how we do this. To get this position, I'm going to make that a little bigger. There we go. That position is row 1, column 1. So we would take row 1 times column 1. And this is how we do it. The first times the first plus the second times the second plus the third times the third. So that would be 1 times 5. 5 plus 5 times 2. 10 plus negative 1 times 0. 0. So if it's written out, 1 times 5 plus 5 times 2 plus negative 1 times 0. That's 5 plus 10, 15. That's all just to get this one position of our answer. So if we do row 1, column 2, that would be 0 minus 5 minus 6. That's negative 8. If we do row 1 times column 3, that would be first times the first, 1, plus second times the second, 20, that's 21, plus third times the third, negative 6. 21 minus 6 is 15. And now we move on to the second row. Where'd my laser pointer go? I don't know what happened to my laser. Oh, there it is. Row 1. Sorry, first times the first. That's 15 plus 14. We're up to 29. And 0. Wait. 15. Yes, and 14 and 0 is 29. So I'll make sure I get that right. Next one would be 0 minus 7 plus 6 is negative 1. And 3 plus 28, that's 31, plus 12, that's 45. That's what it takes to do matrix multiplication. First times the first, plus second times the second, plus third times the third. And if you wanted to check a position like this position, this is row 1, column 3, you'd want to look at row 1 times column 3, and then we could check that. First times the first, that's 3, plus second times the second, 28, plus third times the third, 12. 3 plus 28 plus 12. Oh, I did, I see what I did wrong. So I did row 1, column 3. So I'm actually checking this. That's how I got the 45, sorry. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now we can do minus 2c. And then we'll have all the players for our game. Minus 2c, you distribute the negative 2 through all 6 in this matrix and get negative 4, 0, negative 6, negative 8, negative 2, 2. All right, so now we can do AB minus 2c. This is 15, negative 8, 15. 29, negative 1, 45. There's AB. And I distributed the minus 2C in, so I can now just do addition, which is easier on my brain than subtraction. And now we go element by element. 15 minus 4 is 11. Minus 8 plus 0 is minus 8. 15 minus 6 is 9. 29 minus 8 is 21. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. And 45 plus 2 is 47. Hold on. I think I messed something up. Let me check this last problem, this 45. Three times 1 is 3. Plus 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 2 times 6 is 12. I didn't do that, right? Did I? That's what I thought. Something seemed off. Glad I caught it. This was 43. It's not much of a change, but it does change our answer to this. Now that type of random mistake happens to everyone, as I just demonstrated. Hopefully your teacher doesn't take more than like the minimum 1 point off or something like that, because you're definitely demonstrating you can do matrix multiplication and a matrix addition. And then I'm also demonstrating that you don't do that stuff in your head, especially on an exam. Do that with your calculator. All right, I hope this helps.